we should do something in return. But that's also a form of manipulation and control, which is talked about in No More Mr. Nice Guy. That the nice guy actually comes up with what Dr. Glover calls covert contracts. He comes up with a story in his mind about what he needs to do in order to make other people happy. And he comes up with a story that says, I'll do this for you, and then you'll do this for me. And the covert part of it is that the other person doesn't even know about it. And it's a contract in that the nice guy tells himself that this is what's going to happen. And because the other person doesn't even know about it, they're confused about why he's upset, about why he feels disregarded, about why he feels alone and disconnected, why he doesn't feel valued, and why he's all of a sudden angry or silent or distant or withdrawn because his expectations of that contract were disappointed. That he said, oh, I did everything that I was supposed to do. Why didn't you do what you were supposed to do? In fact, when I found myself lying on a blow up air mattress in a vacant 2-bedroom apartment, separated from my wife, staring at the ceiling, I actually said out loud, I did everything I was supposed to do. How did I get here?